Oh, he's picked Seth up. He's picked Seth up. Oh, go to sleep on Seth. Another ref's going to come out. He's going to claymore him, and another ref's going to come out. Oh my God. Claymore coming. And a new ref is coming out of here. Or maybe Seth might. Oh, Corey didn't. No Claymore. Low blow. Get him. Get him, Drew. Get him, Drew. Claymore to the skull to the cranium. It's over with. Seth, count. Fast count. Seth, fast count. Fast count, Seth. 2, 3. I just know these things, man. Drew wins. I just know these things. Go back to the preview show. It's exactly what I said. WWE, just give me a job. Just give me a job, because clearly, I know what the motive is.